Is Instagram still profitable and viable in 2020? Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to be going over Instagram and is growing accounts and monetizing them still a profitable business in 2020? The short answer, yes. Instagram will always be profitable and scalable for a very, very long time. I'm going to keep this video short, sharp, and simple for you guys watching, but overall, Instagram will be the most profitable business out there. It literally has infinite possibilities of actually monetizing it, because you can monetize by selling promotions, affiliating, creating a personal brand for yourself, selling courses, digital products. There are many different ways. You can manage other people's Instagrams, teach them how to do it. There are so many different ways on Instagram, and not even Instagram, it's Facebook as well. Even Instagram ads is a way. So with the recent coronavirus epidemic, this is a perfect way for actually showing how profitable Instagram is. There are a lot of businesses that are now, offline. They don't have e-commerce stores, and if they do, they actually don't have the audience or the fan base to market to. So this is where Instagram comes in. If you can reach out to a business, show them that you have social media proof and you know how to grow an account, you can tell them for $2,000 a month, I will run your Instagram account. Grow their account for them, get them more leads, new leads, and clients through this social media that has billions of active users, and get them more money, and then you get money in return. And you can run, if you manage 5 clients a month, that is over $10,000 a month, which is more than a full-time job. So growing Instagram accounts, knowing how to, it's always going to be a very, very profitable idea, and it is a high income skill. Now for growing accounts, as I said, it is profitable because knowing how to do this will benefit you, because you can teach other people or you can do it for other people. Now a question I get asked a lot though is, how do I go about doing it? Now there are a lot of resources out there. You can learn on YouTube, you can learn on Instagram, you can learn on Facebook how to do all of this. But my personal favorite and the way that I actually learned was through someone who has done it. This is how you can learn directly, step by step, what to do. And if there are any problems or mistakes or any failures that they have done, they will teach you the solution, the way to go around it so you don't fail. That's how I learned. That's the best way to learn. And that's why I've created a step-by-step course showing my followers and my fans how to grow on Instagram and make money. If this is something that interests you guys, be sure to check out my courses in the link below, or it's in my Instagram bio. And if you guys have any questions about Instagram or Instagram growth, please leave it in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram. I'll be sure to answer them all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys next time.